Question number 1. The Indian Universities Act of 1904, which increased government control over universities, was passed by Viceroy Dash. Correct answer is option A, Lord Curzon. Question number 2. Google Chrome is a or an dash. Correct answer is option B, browser. Question number 3. Which of the following Ashoka inscriptions is bilingual, featuring both Greek and Aramaic scripts? Correct answer is option B, Kandahar rock inscription. Question number 4. Which areas were identified as the three priority pillars of cooperation between India and Japan during the 15th annual India-Japan Summit? Correct answer is option A, defense economy exchange. Question number 5. Kalidasa, the great Sanskrit poet, was a member of the court of. Correct answer is option A, Chandragupta II. Question number 6. Pepsin is an enzyme that digests dash. Correct answer is option A, proteins. Question number 7. Which one of the following amendment is related to urban local government? Correct answer is option D, 74th. Question number 8. Hampi was the capital of dash. Correct answer is option A, Vijayanagar Kingdom. Question number 9. When is the work done by a force considered negative? Correct answer is option A, when the force acts opposite to the direction of displacement. Question number 10. Who is known as the founder of Widow Remarriage Association 1861? Correct answer is option D, Mahadev Govind Ranade. Question number 11. Which mode of transport is most suitable for carrying bulky and heavy goods over long distances at a low cost? Correct answer is option D, water transport. Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Question number 13. Dash is the use of two or more CPUs within a single computer system. Correct answer is option B, multiprocessing. Question number 14. According to the Constitution of India, which specific fundamental rights cannot be suspended even during a national emergency under Article 359? Correct answer is option D, Articles 20 and 21. Question number 15. Which of the following Indian Constitutional Amendment Acts is also known as Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam? Correct answer is option D, 106th Constitutional Amendment Bill. Question number 16. Which of the following pollutants is or are primarily responsible for causing acid rain? Correct answer is option B, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. Question number 17. In which year was the Planning Commission of India established? Correct answer is option C, 1950. Question number 18. Why did Gandhi suspend the non-cooperation movement in 1922? Correct answer is option C, occurrence of Chauri Chaura incident. Question number 19. Which state in India is found in both plain and plateau areas? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 20. What was the primary objective of the 1991 economic reforms in India? Correct answer is option C, to liberalize, privatize, and globalize the economy. Question number 21. Dash can be visualized as a functional unit of nature where living organisms interact among themselves and also with the surrounding physical environment. Correct answer is option C, an ecosystem. Question number 22. In computer terminology, what is the full form of RAM? Correct answer is option D, random access memory. Question number 23. According to the Citizenship Act, how many years must a person ordinarily reside in India to apply for citizenship by naturalization under general conditions? Correct answer is option C, 12 years. Question number 24. Tiruvadira is a cultural festival of which of the following Indian states? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Question number 25. Calculate the net force acting on a body of mass 10 kg moving with a uniform velocity of 5 meter per second square. Correct answer is option D, 0 Newton. Question number 26. Which article of the Indian Constitution states that India is a union of states? Correct answer is option A, Article 1. Question number 27. Where is the first BIMSTEC traditional music festival held? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Question number 28. Which tech leader has been named Time Magazine's 2025 CEO of the Year for innovation-led and people-centric leadership? Correct answer is option C, Neil Mohan. Question number 29. Which amendment deleted the right to property? Correct answer is option C, 44th Amendment, 1978. Question number 30. Harappan seals were mostly made of dash. Correct answer is option A, steatite. Question number 31. Which of the following states has high tank irrigation? Correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 32. Which of the following endocrine glands secretes sugar controlling hormone? Correct answer is option B, pancreas. Question number 33. Which Gupta ruler got Sudarshan Sarovar repaired for the second time? Correct answer is option A, Skandagupta. Question number 34. Dash scientists developed superbug killing antibiotics using generative AI. Correct answer is option A, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Question number 35. Chandragupta I was married to Princess Kumara Devi of Dash Kingdom. Correct answer is option A, Lichavi. Question number 36. Which irrigation method is considered most efficient for water conservation in agriculture? Correct answer is option B, drip. Question number 37. Where was Tatia Topi executed by the British government? Correct answer is option B, Shivpuri. Question number 38. Which of the following is an example of structural unemployment? Correct answer is option D, a worker being unable to find a job due to a lack of skills in a new and expanding industry. Question number 39. How is globalization best described in the Indian context after 1991? Correct answer is option C, integration of domestic markets with the global economy through trade, investment, technology. Question number 40. In the context of operating systems, what does PCB stands for? Correct answer is option C, printed circuit board. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.